What if the world was suddenly free of sadness? What if it didn't matter anymore what language we speak, or which country we are from, or even which skin color we are? What if we could all become one big family?
The world outside us is a reflection of our mind.
It's much easier to have all the support and unity of like-minded people to carry on that path.
I think that in one day of sun gathering, you can do like a lifetime full of things.
I had a wonderful time meeting great people.
It doesn't matter what language you speak, it's just to remember where you are in the moment that you're in it.
Imagine 70 people from 20 different countries gathered in Mexico. They spent 10 days constantly trying to become better versions of themselves. Why? Because they believed that is the only way to make this world a better place. Not just for themselves, but for everyone. They practiced yoga, held lectures, volunteered, and even tried integrating with the local culture by learning Spanish and salsa.
Sun gathering is
Traveling in a more responsible way.
A lot of opportunities.
To get together and to create something beautiful within 10 days.
During this sun gathering, I learned that every person has this beautiful power of making impossible things possible. It just depends on how many efforts you put into anything.
What if by changing the focus from ourselves to others, we could become happier? What if by losing ourselves in the service to others, we could find long-lasting joy? What if what we are looking for is already there? What if we already have everything we need to be happy and feel free?
This sun gathering was a trampoline to the new stage of the community.
Traveling is not just another touristy thing. Traveling now becomes as a spiritual journey towards discovering yourself.
Even if it's hard, I just go through it and take a lot of lessons.
The Sunsurfers are actually spreading something, some kind of energy, some kind of happiness.
I really believe that we need more of that in the world we live in, to bring more peace and happiness for all the beings.
Now we are so inspired to go and travel the world.
Becoming an English-speaking community, we can communicate to the whole world. We can invite everyone to act together with us to build the new world.
Today, we create our future. United, we can make the impossible possible. Create a new world. Truthful, safe, kind, green, and joyful. You could be a part of it. Join our community and start building this new world together.